a lower abdominal exercise called bent knee fallout or bent knee fan. I'm in my neutral spine position, so I've already done my pelvic rock. I find a nice neutral position. I like to place my hands on each side of my pelvis to make sure that this stays stable. I bring my feet and knees together to touch. Open my knees as an inhale into my ribs. Exhale, engage my abs, draw my ribs in. Inhale, ribs expand, pelvis and spine are stable. Exhale, engage. Now one knee at a time. Stabilize on my right, move the left. Inhale. Exhale. If it feels too challenging to have the feet together, open the feet a little wider. Alternating sides. I stabilize on my left to move my right. The point of this exercise is core control and lumbopelvic stability.